2024-2025 NBA season, Devin Booker previewed a Safari-themed player exclusive of his Nike Book 1, inspired by the classic 1987 Air Safari designed by Tinker Hatfield. Though it lost a fan vote to another PE for his season debut, the Safari colorway is getting a retail release, joining other heritage-inspired drops like the Book 1 Mowabb. This edition pays tribute to one of Nike's earliest lifestyle sneakers, which gained cult status over time. Booker, a fan of the original, helped bring the crossover to life with modern updates. The Book 1 Safari features the Air Safari's signature textured pattern on the toe guard, a burnt orange toe box, and black accents, while upgrading comfort with a plush liner in place of the original's leather interior. Although an official release date hasn't been confirmed, the Nike Book 1 Safari is expected to launch in fall 2025 for $155.